Booking a flight at the last minute doesn't have to be expensive or stressful. With the right strategies, you can still find great deals and avoid overpaying. This guide will show you exactly how to book last-minute flights quickly, efficiently, and at the best price possible. First, be flexible with your destination and travel dates. Many airlines offer discounted fares on flights that aren't fully booked. If you're open to flying into alternate airports or adjusting your departure time by a few hours, you can save significantly. Next, use flight comparison websites and apps. Platforms like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Kayak allow you to search for flights across multiple airlines in real time. Turn on price alerts to get notified the moment fares drop. Consider booking a one-way ticket instead of a round trip. Sometimes mixing and matching different airlines for departure and return flights leads to better prices than sticking with the same carrier. Check budget airlines and hidden city ticketing. Low-cost carriers often have unsold seats at lower prices. Additionally, sites like Skiplagged find hidden city flights where a layover city is your actual destination, cutting costs significantly. Last-minute deals can also be found directly through airline websites. Some carriers release unsold seats at discounted rates 24 to 48 hours before departure. Airline reward programs and credit card points can help reduce costs even further. If prices remain high, try booking through airline miles or travel credit cards. Many programs allow for last-minute redemptions without the usual surge in cash fares. For truly urgent flights, visit airport ticket counters. Some airlines offer unpublished fares or standby options that aren't available online. Flying standby can work if you're flexible with departure times and destinations. Booking last-minute flights doesn't have to break the bank. By staying flexible, using flight comparison tools, checking airline websites, and leveraging travel rewards, you can find the best deals even at the last minute. Next time you need to fly on short notice, use these strategies to save money and book with confidence.